Welcome viewers to Softdemy, a software engineering academy. Today we will learn about how to filter out activities, specific or custom activities, or one by one activities, or multiple activities, or some custom activities in Primavera P6. Why we can use by user defined field and filter in it. So how can you use some specific filters to get out your required activities. For example, I need 718 activity to be filtered out, or I need 669 to be filtered out, or I need 678, or I need some specific key stage. For example, I go here and I collapse here and I collapse to WBS level 2. Now I will see some milestone. I just need this key stage 2 or key stage 3, key stage 4, or any milestone I want to create that one. So I will create a filter for that one. How to create a specific filter for each key stage, how to create a specific text column for a specific activity. So I will go here in the enterprise. You will see here enterprise and find a user defined field. So there are a lot of columns of user defined fields. So I will create one column here. First of all, I will see if there is a user text field here. There are a lot of column. So we will see here a user text here. There is text 1. So I will change the name text R. So it will be easy to find out text R. So I will go here in the column and I will find out the text R. So this is text R. So we did find the text R here and we will put it on the after activity name. Apply OK. So here we created a column with the name of text R here. So what we will do, we will see here these activities. We have to see. Okay, so here for example I put it out like stage 2 space 2. So what I will do, I will just stage 2 drag it down and I will just fill it down. So this is stage 2, then this one is also stage 2. What I will do, I will just go here and these all are key stage 2 and fill down here. You can use control E also for fill down. So is there a last one, key stage 3 by 4. So we will left this one and go here, it's key stage 2, key stage 2. So these all are key stage 2. So you can't apply date filter because sometimes the activity may be overlapping another key stage. So we will go here in the filter. Easily we will create a new filter here and we can create a key stage 2 filter. So here I will add here a column text R equal to stage 2. Okay, now press apply. So only the activities having a stage 2 will be appear here, you can see here, and the other will be not appear. So go here column group and sort by, hide the if empty. So the activities which don't have any text name will be disappeared from here. So these activities having stage 2 text name are appearing here. So what we will do, we will go here in the column and we will remove text R here and apply OK. So now we can print out these key stage 2 activities. Only these activities you can print out, for example file, and we can print preview here. So you can print out these activities for your client. So if he need only stage 2. So also if he needs other stages, for example go here filter and you can remove this filter, apply OK. So you can also apply in this filter, you can apply if you needed critical, you can also apply a double filter on it. And you can also go here in the key stage 2 filter and you can create a further filter like modify here and create a float, zero float, total zero float, and you can create a critical filter for that one. So if for example you remove any activities from here, go here in the column and you have to add again that text R, and that text R I needed here, text R here, and now go here apply. press OK. So if you add this stage 2 in this there, it will also appear, this activity stage 3 start will be also appear here. For example, I will show you example. For example, show this one and go here in the filter, and you will see here apply, because it's applying on text. You can see stage 3 is also showing here. So if you remove from here, it will be disappeared here. See here, it has been disappeared from here. So any number you write here, you want to be custom selection of your activities for printout to your client, so you can do this trick. So this is very helpful trick, you can use that one. For example, you have to filter stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, so you can create like that one. I can show you how can you create. For example, you want to create a filter for stage 3, you can create here and a new filter with the name of stage 3 and modify, like here you can write here stage 3. So it's easy to make that one. So thanks for watching Softedemy. So please subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe till now. Press the bell icon, like, share and comment, and suggest us any content you want to be uploaded on our channel. So keep tuned with us. Thanks.